Reinforcement learning, with its unique ability to learn from interaction and optimize for long-term rewards, is driving innovation across a wide range of challenging domains. Let's explore some of its most compelling applications. Perhaps the most famous application is in game playing. RL agents have achieved superhuman performance in complex games like Go, AlphaGo, chess, AlphaZero, and even real-time strategy games like StarCraft 2. They learn optimal strategies through self-play, developing intuition far beyond human capabilities. In robotics, RL is crucial for teaching robots to perform complex motor tasks without explicit programming. Robots can learn to grasp objects, navigate curved environments, walk, or perform delicate manipulations through trial and error, adapting to changing conditions. Automated driving also heavily utilizes RL, especially for decision-making tasks. While perception, CV, identifies objects, RL can help a self-driving car learn optimal behaviors for merging into traffic, making turns, or choosing safe routes, considering long-term consequences. Resource management and optimization is another big area. RL can optimize energy consumption in data centers by learning to control cooling systems, manage traffic flow in smart cities, or optimize inventory in supply chains to minimize costs and maximize efficiency. In finance, RL is being explored for algorithmic trading strategies, where agents learn to buy and sell assets to maximize profit, adapting to market fluctuations. It's also used in portfolio optimization and risk management. Even in areas like personalized recommendations, beyond what we discussed with supervised learning, RL can personalize content by learning from user interactions and feedback, optimizing for long-term engagement or satisfaction rather than just immediate clicks. From mastering complex games to controlling real-world physical systems, RL is enabling AI to learn optimal sequential decision-making in highly dynamic and uncertain environments. With all these powerful AI technologies, it's crucial to also consider their ethical implications, which is our next topic.